Hello. Today we are going to create a drawing sheet with the doorstop project that we're working on. The first thing we need to do is open up the file that has the doorstop drawn in Inventor, and you will open up a folder. You're going to open up the folder button is somewhere down here. You can't see it on my screen, but somewhere down here you'll see a picture of like a manila folder. You would click on that, and then you want to go to the S drive, the student share drive. And underneath there you're going to see all these teachers, and you're going to see my last name, Okura. You'll click on that. And you want to go to the IED Inventor title blocks. This is a drawing sheet that has like a template. And you will open up AOE A sheet in inches. We're not doing millimeters for this one, so we're going to do it in inches, and you open it. And this will pop up. Now, it's very important that the first thing you do is go in and save this file under either your flash drive or your student drive. The student drive is going to be gone soon, so I suggest you save it into your flash drive. So we go to File, Save As, then we're going to have to go in and click on this PC. Underneath here you will see either right here will be your student ID number, your student drive, or your flash drive will show up somewhere here. In this case, I'm going to do it in my student drive, my teacher drive. But again, I prefer you guys start saving it in your flash drives because the student drive will be gone soon. So we'll go to the class, go to your doorstop projects. Hopefully you have your folders organized now. Doorstop. And you're going to be making 3 of these. So this is design 1. So if you're going to do design 2, you would just click on it and change this part to design 2. So again, you need to write down that it's a drawing sheet, doorstop name. Alright, so I know what it is when you submit it. If you don't have your name in here and then which design it is, I'm not going to know whose it is because when I grade through it, it's too time consuming for me to go back and figure out whose is it. It's much faster if you put your name in. So we hit save. Now, we're going to place the parts in here. You want to go to base. And then it's automatically going to find the doorstop because I just had the file open. It assumes that because I was working on this, I'm going to want that to pull up that file. If it doesn't pop up, you're just going to have to find it. So find it within here. Alright, so once this shows up, this is a little too big. This is an 8.5 by 11 sheet. So this is too big. I need to change the scale of it. I could also drag this, change the scale. Let's go half. Alright, and then once I place it to where I want, I just drag it up and I see little dotted lines. Click one time, click one time, click one time, click one time, and also over here in diagonal. Once I'm done, I hit OK. It does an outline of it. I want my isometric view over here to have some shading and color in it. So if I click on it, I double click on it, I go over here, and if I say I wanted the shaded, it'll color this one. Alright, and then the last thing I want to do here is add some dimensions to it. If we click on dimensions here, I could zoom in. Dimension here. Dimension here. That didn't take. Dimension here. There we go. Probably dimension here. Can we... There we go. Dimension the whole. I don't think I could dimension this cat face, which will make it tricky. Maybe I want to... Let's go over here and work on the cat face. So, I want this number... Oh, some of your screens might pop this up. I have it on a setting where I don't want this to pop up, so if you just uncheck this box, this thing won't prompt you every time. So we hit OK. I wish I could move this over. I think if I hit escape, yes, if you hit escape, then I could drag it over. Maybe I need here to the top. Oh, let's go into typing in information here. You want to go to this campus A and then go to field text. Oh, I think I did hit escape. Field text. Okay, and I double click on field text. So it's project name. I want to call this doorstop design 1. Sheet size, leave that alone. Enter in your name. Okura. Whatever period you're in. I don't know. First period. Figure number. You'll usually have this if you have multiple parts, and you might label them part A, B, C, D. But since in this case we only have one part here, I'm just gonna hit OK. And this stuff will populate right here. So once this is done, we go into File, Export. I want to export this as a PDF. Oh, actually, before that, let's save this. So I'm going to hit File, Save. Should save fine because I already saved it in the beginning. Now let's do this. File, Export, PDF. Make sure you go to, I click on this PC. I'm going to my teacher drive, but again, I suggest you go into your flash drive. So we go in here, doorstop, and then drawing sheet, doorstop design 2, hit save. And so, oh, actually this was doorstop design 1. Well, anyway, you get the point. You need to make 3 of these, and then you need to go into Google Classroom and attach and submit the 3 PDFs. Once you do that, I will print them out so that you can take it to your teachers and then have your second meeting. That's it for today.